So today is the day that we have our end of the year Tesla meet. And this is also kind of a going away for Kyle, because he is going to be gone for an unknown amount of time, because he has to go back to Taiwan. And yeah, he'll be missed, but we'll still have some fun today before he has to go.
What's up, Jake? Yeah.
You got put on dog duty?
Yeah. Oh, sorry, Kieran. My bad. Didn't want to whip you like that. Yeah.
Marcus, part 2. Show the people what you did.
Here's the reveal.
I see it.
Here's the reveal.
Oh, it looks disgusting. I mean, wow.
Good job. Let's go. Come on.
Let's go, get it up. Oh, so close.
This is made just to test your grip. They do it so strong, man.
You're waiting for
Got that straight.
Just gotta lift it. Jake did it so easy.
Fine, I'll do it.
Yeah, here we go. Let's go, Kyle.
Let's go, Kyle.
Let's go, Kyle.
What am I supposed to do?
Just roll it onto the mat or to the rubber. Here we go, Kyle. This is for the army training.
Am I supposed to like?
No, double overhand. Overhand. Yeah.
When you get back, you're doing a lot more of these.
Keep it really close to your body. Don't let it leave.
I don't know, man. There's too many cameras.
Ignore the cameras. You're fine.
I don't like that.
There's no camera.
Look at Kilo. Look at Kilo.
Kilo's watching.
Oh yeah.
Just push on your whole foot. Stay close to the bar. Stand on the actual mat.
Okay, stand on the actual mat.
Yeah, sure. You can do it.
It's
fine.
If you can't do it, it's fine. Just see what you can do.
Try your best. Let's go, Kyle. Squeeze. Oh, easy. Yeah. So easy.
Oh, okay. It's actually not bad.
He got new wheels on his car. They're the ones I kind of want to do too,
yeah.
but they're in what color? Or these are the pewter?
It's like a titanium.
Titanium.
Oh.
Oh, ready for this? I guess better late than never, right?
Yeah. Oh my God! Look at your hair.
No.
You got a hair color or some shit? Or
No,
just
I just woke
woke up.
Kyle,
Oh, it's time.
it's sad you're leaving.
It's okay. I'll be back. I don't know when.
Next year will be
but
Kyle's year.
I'll be back. No, it's not my year. December my year.
No pressure. No pressure.
No pressure. But I'll be back.
So we're commenting on this is our fourth meet, I think. Fourth meet, and it's pretty cool to see this one and the last one.
I know because
Way to go, Kyle.
the first one says
Literally one drop.
yeah.
one
Well, the first one was charge style here, right here. You know, right here.
Okay, that's fair.
Yeah.
But
so
yeah,
that's
it's cool
what-
to see though. There's a lot of modded cars now, a lot more than the first meet we did or the second one. So it's cool to see that people are doing stuff and having fun with their cars.
Hell yeah.
Cool.
We have a new delivery driver. Sorry? For Sean. Perfect. It's gonna fly off.
Would it actually fly off?
No, it won't fly out.
The way you drive, yeah. Welcome.
Made it just in time. I tried to make it in time.
How you doing? Good, man.
And it's just like, you won't know until you turn the lights. Oh, you do?
We got delivery show car here.
Hey, let's go.
It's time for delivery. There you go.
Thank you so much, sir.
You gotta pay the bills, right?
So what are we gonna order? Right?
Where do you think the wind come from?
I'd like to thank my new sponsor.
This is the perfect delivery vehicle.
Yeah,
Soup, chicken, duck, no worry. This vehicle good.
Hey,
Yo,
you
you
be
gotta hop in
safe.
his car.
You
We
be
will.
safe.
We will. We'll be right here. You'll see us. Thanks, Dad. Bye.
Alright, that was super cool. Lots of people came out. Thank you for coming out if you did. This was a pretty successful meet once again. It's the Tesla community has been pretty cool, and I'm really enjoying it. Meeting lots of really cool people and seeing lots of really cool cars and what people are doing. So overall, pretty cool. But now we're off to a restaurant for Kyle's little farewell dinner that I don't think he fully knows what we're doing yet. But regardless, it'll be fun. So yeah, I gotta get to that. See ya, Kyle.
See you. It's good. I'll be back. I'll be back. A week.
And look at the clouds over there.